Welcome to Japan, the land of the rising sun, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modernity in a harmonious way. This captivating destination steals hearts, where the beauty of nature meets unique architecture at every corner. In this video, we will take you on a journey to the most famous tourist spots, combining rich history with a bright future. Get ready to explore places that make Japan an unforgettable experience, from its ancient temples to the skyline of its modern cities. Now, here are the best places to visit in Japan. Number 10. Kyoto. Kyoto is one of Japan's most culturally rich cities, preserving its historical heritage. The city boasts over 1,000 temples, including the iconic Kiyomizu-dera Temple with its breathtaking views and the Golden Pavilion, Kinkakuji, adorned with gold leaf. Don't miss the enchanting Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, perfect for a stroll in nature. Gion District is ideal for cultural enthusiasts, where you can see geishas and try traditional kimono attire. Kyoto is also home to meticulously designed Japanese gardens and renowned tea ceremony experiences. Number 9. Osaka. Osaka is known for its vibrant atmosphere and delicious food. The Dotonbori area is one of its most famous attractions, with dazzling lights and restaurants serving popular dishes like takoyaki and okonomiyaki. You can visit Osaka Castle, a historical symbol of the city dating back to the 16th century. For marine life enthusiasts, the Kaiyukan Aquarium offers a fascinating glimpse into the underwater world. The city also provides stunning views from the Tempozan Ferris wheel. Osaka's cheerful spirit and friendly locals add to its charm. Number 8. Nara. Nara is a unique tourist destination that combines history and nature. The city is home to Todaiji Temple, which houses the world's largest bronze Buddha statue, a place of reflection and tranquility. Nara Park is famous for its free-roaming deer, offering visitors a chance to interact and feed them, creating a one-of-a-kind experience. Don't miss Kasuga Taisha Shrine, renowned for its stone lanterns. Nara is also celebrated for its natural beauty, with serene trails and waterfalls providing a peaceful escape. Number 7. Hokkaido. Hokkaido is the perfect destination for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts, especially in summer and winter. In the summer, you can admire colorful flower fields in Biei and the serene beauty of Lake Toya. In winter, ski resorts like Niseko offer thrilling snow activities. The Sapporo Snow Festival is an annual event that captivates visitors with its magnificent ice sculptures. Don't forget to savor fresh seafood, as Hokkaido is renowned for offering some of Japan's finest. Number 6. Hiroshima. Hiroshima is famous for its historical landmarks that tell stories of peace and resilience. You can visit the Peace Memorial Park and Museum, which chronicles the city's history during World War II. The atomic bomb dome stands as a symbol of survival and hope. A short distance away is Miyajima Island, known for its iconic floating torii gate, one of Japan's most scenic sights. While there, explore Itsukushima Shrine and indulge in local seafood delicacies. Number 5. Hakone. Hakone is known for its hot springs and breathtaking mountainous scenery. Enjoy stunning views of Mount Fuji from Lake Ashi by taking a boat cruise or a cable car ride. The area is also home to several museums, such as the Hakone Open Air Museum, which blends art with nature. Traditional inns, ryokan, in Hakone, provide an authentic Japanese stay, complete with relaxing onsen, hot spring baths. Hakone is a perfect retreat for those seeking tranquility and rejuvenation. Number 4. Nikko. Nikko is a small city nestled in the mountains, celebrated for its cultural and natural heritage. The Toshogu Shrine is one of its main attractions, adorned with intricate carvings and golden decorations that showcase Japanese craftsmanship. Kigon Falls is among Japan's most beautiful waterfalls, offering breathtaking views of cascading waters surrounded by lush greenery. Nikko is an ideal destination for hiking enthusiasts, with scenic trails and crystal-clear lakes to explore. Number 3. Fukuoka. Fukuoka is a coastal city that combines history, culture, and natural beauty. It is home to the sacred Dazaifu Tenmangu Shrine and the historic Fukuoka Castle. The city's pristine beaches provide a serene environment to relax and enjoy the sea views. Yatai food stalls offer a unique culinary experience, serving local dishes like the famous Hakata ramen. Fukuoka also hosts traditional festivals, offering visitors a glimpse into the region's rich cultural history. Number 2. Okinawa. Okinawa is a tropical paradise perfect for relaxation and adventure seekers alike. Its white sandy beaches and crystal-clear waters make it a favorite destination for snorkeling and diving. Explore vibrant coral reefs and enjoy a variety of water sports. Okinawa's unique culture shines through its traditional music and cuisine, offering a distinct experience from mainland Japan. The islands also provide a tranquil atmosphere away from the city's hustle, with breathtaking landscapes and year-round sunshine. Number 1. Tokyo. Tokyo is a city that blends advanced technology with deep-rooted traditions. You can visit Tokyo Tower for panoramic views of the city, or explore Akihabara, a hub for tech and anime enthusiasts. Don't miss Sensoji Temple in Asakusa, Tokyo's oldest temple. The city is also famous for shopping areas such as the bustling Shibuya district and the trendy Harajuku area. For nature lovers, Ueno Park and Shinjuku Gyoen offer tranquil settings with stunning natural beauty. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great videos. See you in the next video.